Welcome back to my channel. This is Sonit from Take It Trickle, where I bring the latest tech updates that are required for your business as well as for your online teaching. Now today's video is about how in Google Meet you can schedule a meeting instantly, or maybe you want to schedule it in advance so that you have the opportunity of joining it or having the people join later on. Now there are three ways in which you can join a Google Meet session. So if you are having a Gmail account, so open that and log into your Gmail account, and on the left hand side you would see two options that Google is giving us right now because of the situation right now we are all in. And you would see one says start a meeting and the other is join a meeting. So let's start with the first option, start a meeting, and then you click on join now. And then you copy the code that Google is generating for you so that others can join, and you have to share this code with others so that they can join. So copy this code, add the people who you want to join this meeting, and you can of course do it through the email IDs or through the names. You search it and then you select it and then you click on send email. So what happens is that email notification gets sent to the person whom you want to join the meeting. Now he will get a notification from Google Meet stating happening now. So that lets him know that you have to join the meeting right now. So he clicks the join button and then it takes over to Google Meet, where he can simply join the meeting by putting the code. Now the other option is in Gmail itself. On the right hand side you would see the calendar option. So click the calendar and open it in a new tab. So what it does is it expands and it gives you more options for setting up the meeting which you want people to join in advance. You add a title and then you specify a date and time for them to join, and then you also give a description which says what this meeting is all about. And also there is an important step here, that add Google Meet video conference. So you have to click that, which tells calendar that you are selecting Google Meet for having this particular meeting. And then if you save this, it actually sets up a meeting in your calendar so that when that time comes, this will auto pop up and then you can simply join that particular meeting. Now, if you do not want to join through the Gmail, then the other option left is, you have to go to the Meet page, and then from there you see two simple steps. One is start a meeting and join a meeting. So start a meeting will it will try to access your camera, and then you put the code and then you join the meeting. And the other option is you have the code and then you put the code in the joining. And the other option is, you put the code under joining and it takes you to the meeting. Now, I hope you liked all the three options, but then please let me know in the comments which option actually suits you and which you are comfortable with. Now these are the options by which you can instantly start a meeting, or you are able to schedule a meeting so that others can join. Now in case you like my video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thank you very much. Till the next time, bye bye.